Hi there. We're looking at the Wyckoff, not Wyckoff, the candlestick weekly chart of Hedera with Wyckoff text, and this is the last session of today. If you have just came in, there are 12 sessions I did earlier for 12 other crypto coins. Before getting into the details for Hedera, these sessions are not financial advice, they are for education research purpose only. However, your discussions or views on Hedera are very welcome in the comments section. So, back to the chart. From the sign of weakness, the price of Hedera has climbed all the way until it hit this yellow line. That's the resistance line defined by this sign of weakness. So, I can add one LPSY over here. Depending on how the price evolves over the next few weeks, this may, or Hedera may enter an accumulation cycle. So last time it had an upthrust of the distribution and then multiple LPSY before it fully dies down. This time basically we have one to SOW. So the question is, would something like this happen? So this where we are now could well be something like that if the crypto market has some very good news coming out in the next few weeks, where it can drive Hedera all the way to its upthrust and upthrust of the distribution before another accumulation cycle happens. So that can be a possibility if there are really some positive and solid news that's going to drive the development of the crypto industry or blockchain industry. However, it's a bit tricky now because of the economic environment. So corporates are probably not going to make very big investments for new tech. I think that's my own view. But let's see. We never know if suddenly economy flips and turns to better all of a sudden, then that may make the large corps more willing to invest. So that's the big picture. And micro daily chart, I've already mentioned earlier, the price got bounced or rejected from this yellow line and slowly coming down. So given these are all history, I'll remove these flags, and basically from a simplicity point of view, the trading range is basically between 1 to 8, 12 cents, 12.8 cents, or 13 cents if you wanted to simpler, to 21 cents. So that's pretty much the range since beginning of March. So it came down, hits the yellow line, and then now it comes down. So let's see whether this will become the new short-term playground zone. So I can drag this over, put it over here. Tentatively, it can become the new playground zone for the next few months if there's no particular change in narrative. Otherwise, if like crypto really dies down and people start shifting money to other assets for whatever reason, better gains, better potential, or for safe parking their money as a safe haven, then that's when the new accumulation cycle is going to begin. So that's for Hedera. Thanks for joining me today for all the 13 sessions. See you next week.